If you're facing issues with the YouTube app on your Samsung Smart TV, like a black screen, long loading times, or crashes, don't worry. I'm here to help you fix it. Solution 1. Cold boot your Samsung TV. Let's start by performing a cold boot or soft reset on your TV. Do this simply: unplug the power cable from your TV and wait for about a minute. This action will clear the cache, and for many users, this will solve the problem. Solution 2. Check your connection and update the system. If did not fix the issue, let's make sure your TV is connected to a stable network. You can quickly check the browsing and the internet or using another streaming app. Next, we'll check for any system updates. Outdated software can sometimes causes issues with the app. Head to the settings panel, select support and then choose software update. Click on update now to check for any available updates. After the update is complete, try opening YouTube again and finger crossed it should work. Solution 3. Reinstall YouTube. Still having trouble? It might be time to reinstall YouTube. To do this, go to your apps, then open the settings from the top right corner. Find YouTube in the list. While you can't delete since it's built into the system, you can reinstall it. Scroll down to the reinstall option and select it. Your TV will uninstall and reinstall the app. Once done, try launching YouTube again and it should good to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit an subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.